Julia Butterfly Hill, co-author of One Makes a Difference, lived in a redwood tree named Luna for 738 days at the age of 23. She lived in the 1,000-year-old tree to stop the Pacific Lumber Company from cutting down the rest of the ancient redwood forest.
Activists were trying to call attention to the fact that over 98% of the original ancient redwoods have already been destroyed, and that they're still logging them and destroying not only the ecosystem in these trees, but also destroying people's lives, because the hillsides, they are logging on very steep hillsides, and they cause mudslides that slide away and destroy people's homes. So climb the tree, number one, to try and protect it, which we were able to do, but also to call attention to the forest issues and try and get more people involved in helping protect what's left.
Julia Hill has successfully negotiated to protect a 1,000-year-old tree in a 3-acre buffer zone with the help of steelworkers and environmentalists. She is telling her story to inspire people to take action in their communities. She's trying to spread the message of hope, empowerment, and love and respect for all living things. This was not the beginning of Julia's inspiration to help the environment. She loved nature when she was just a child.
From the time I was little, I was raised to appreciate and respect nature. I also always loved being in nature. I experienced a lot of violence, unfortunately, as a little girl in situations that I was in with people. And so growing up was not very safe for me, but I always felt safe, and it was safe when I was out in nature. So from the time I was little, nature was not only something that I appreciated and respected, but it was actually an important part of my life.
Julia loves nature so much, she is going all over the world telling her story to inspire people and to spread a message.
It gets me thinking about how we destroy the earth and all that. I walk out of there and I want to do something right away. So however that passion manifests itself, yeah, it was a result of her.
So the next time you throw something away, remember to recycle it to help the environment and feel inspired to take action either by helping the environment or helping out in your community.